Kevin?
You're a smoothie.
You're a smoothie? Okay.
Well, what happened?
I'm going to put this blue all over the couch, so we'll have a blue couch. Do you want a blue couch?
Yes.
You think that would be cool? So today we're making a slipcover for the couch in the playroom. I really wanted to embrace the color in the playroom, so I decided that instead of throwing away this 10-year-old couch, that I would cover it with fabric.
Oh no, I need your help. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Wonderland. Wonderland, don't die.
No.
Huh?
I said don't touch it, right? Did I ask you to stop touching it?
Okay.
Yes, I
Dad, back it up. Hold on. Hold on.
Essentially, this whole video is just me going back and forth, fitting and cutting and sewing and fitting and cutting and sewing, and I'm just trying to keep my cool the whole time because doing large projects with a 2-year-old is really hard.
Hi, sushi.
Your sushi? Delicious. I'm gonna eat you. I love sushi. So delicious.
I love sushi.
So delicious.
Daddy, me.
Luckily for me, this couch is really boxy, so I assumed it would be really easy, and it wasn't a hard project. It was a little tricky, but I think I did okay.
Whoa, it's so wobbly. What?
Hey! Don't touch the fabric. Don't touch the blue fabric. You're gonna mess it up and break it. If you break it, you get in big trouble.
I don't want to make trouble. Okay, Mommy, we're not doing it again.
You better not do it.
Whoa.
I think it's working. So what I want to do is make a slipcover out of the blue fabric that has a drawstring on it, so that it looks tight, but you could still just untie it and pop it in the washer if you need. Have you guys ever had to attempt a DIY with your toddler? And if so, how do you get them to stay still and not touch every single last thing all the time?
Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone go?
I know this is a new type of video, so how do you guys like it? Do you want to see more DIY videos, more home videos? I'm thinking about doing a playroom tour video when this is all done, or just a regular house tour, or another makeover video. I'm not sure. I have to hem the whole thing and make a tunnel for the drawstring to go into. So I've got the drawstring in, and right here you can see that I am trying to tighten the outside of the slipcover just to make sure everything is fitting properly in the way I want it. It is in multiple pieces, so this piece is done. Third of the way done. I didn't film, but I made the cushions with the drawstrings in them, and I'm just tightening them onto the couch. I thought something was wrong, but nothing was really wrong. And here it is after the first day. So the next day, I just have to make the back cushions and the arm cushions, which are essentially just like pillow covers. What do you guys think? Would you have just thrown the couch away and got a new couch? Or would you try to salvage it? It seems like such a waste to throw a perfectly good couch away. So what do you think? Comment below. And here is the end product. Looks okay, right? For $40.